Slow boot time after Windows Update, speed it up in 4 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Anna Videos. In this video, I will be explaining how to speed up boot time on Windows 11 or 10, PC and laptop, and how you can fix the slow booting of your PC and laptop. I will be sharing 3 effective methods that you need to apply, and after that you'll find that your PC is booting much faster. Now make sure that you also have to switch to your SSD if you're still using a hard drive. Alright, so please go and upgrade your PC or laptop with SSD drive. So let's get you started. What you have to do first. Right-click on your Windows icon. Choose Task Manager on Windows 11. From the left-in menu option, click on this 3-line. How is that? It's hamburger icon. And then choose the Startup Apps. If you do not see over here, the Startup option will be at the top as well. So you need to click on it, and here you will see all kind of application that boot along with the computer. So while booting with the computer, it'll surely slow down the booting time. What you have to do, like on my end, you can see Microsoft Teams, Miz, Edge, OneDrive. These applications are enabled. What will happen when my computer, Windows 11 or Windows 10 will boot up? These applications will also boot along with that, and that slow down the booting time of the computer. So you need to disable all these kind of third-party applications. So just make a right-click on it and disable it. You have to look all the applications like OneDrive, Discord, Skype, or any kind of browser. Anything that you can manually start by your own cell whenever you need it. Once you are done, you have to close it. Now click on the search box and type here msconfig, and from the suggestion choose System Configuration. The System Configuration box will be up here. You have to click on the Boot tab from the top-end menu, then click on Advanced Options. And here this option will be unchecked that says Number of Processors. You need to check this option. And in the drop-down, if you are getting like 4 number or 8 or 16, then whatever number you are getting, you have to choose 4 from the drop-down. But if you are getting only 2, then you have to go with 2. But if you are able to see the 4 number, then you have to go with number of processors. For even if we are showing 8 or 16, no matter, you have to select 4. Once done, you have to click on OK, and now click on the Services tab here. You need to check Hide all Microsoft services. And then you just need to uncheck all these options from here. Then click on Apply, and then click on OK. Once done, it'll ask you to restart, but you don't have to restart as we are remaining with one more step. So what you can do next, you must enable the fast startup on your Windows 11 or your Windows 10. For that, you have to click on the search box. Type here, powercfg.cpl. Hit enter, and here you will see all kind of your power plan. And from the left-in menu option, you have to click on Choose what the power button does. Click on it. And now here in the shutdown settings, I'm only getting the option of sleep and log because I'm using the virtual machine. You'll be getting an option of a turn on fast startup recommended. You need to check that option and enable it. Alright, you'll be getting on the top for that. You have to click Change Settings that are currently unavailable, and these options will be highlighted. And on the top, you'll find Turn on Faster. Startup. Check that box, and then click on Save Changes. After that, finally restart your PC, and you will find a great change, and you will see that the computer is booting much faster and slow booting time of your computer has been fixed. So that's all guys for today. Okay? Hopefully this all solution will work for you, and if yes, then please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video,